We are working on practicing with missing addends. And remember what I said about missing addends? It's if you can find the whole and have one part, you can always figure out the other part. If you have two parts, you can put them together to make the whole. So I'm going to start out with our song, a part plus a part equals a whole. A part plus a part is a whole. A part plus a part is a whole. A part plus a part is a whole. A whole minus a part equals a part. 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 Okay, so now I'm going to get a different color and let's see, to contrast blue. Okay, so if we see a plus sign, we know that everything around the plus sign to the left of it or to the right of it has to be a part. If we see a minus sign, we always know that it goes whole minus a part equals a part. Okay, so let's go through the whole page and label our whole and our part. Here's our whole. There's only one whole. Everything else has to be the part. Okay, here's a plus. That means everything around it is a part, right? A part plus a part equals the whole. Okay, and here is a minus sign, so it goes whole minus a part. Whole minus a part equals the part. Okay, whole part part. See if you can go through and label the rest of them. And come back. You can press pause and do that and come back and look. Here is a whole minus a part. Okay, there's a plus symbol. That means everything around the plus symbol has to be a part. A part plus a part equals the whole. There's a minus. Whole minus a part equals the part. Here's a plus symbol. That means everything around the plus symbol on this side and this side has to be a part. A part plus a part equals the whole. Okay, so let's go ahead and think about some of these equations. Looks a little messy on here, but I think you guys can follow along. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do hot pink. Okay, so here it says find 9, take away 8. If I have 9 and 8 is a part, I can figure out that 1 is the other part. Okay, so whole is the greatest number that you have. Let's draw the whole. It says 9, so let's draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new line, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if 9 is my whole, I can circle one of the parts that I know, right? First, I'm going to put a box around that. There are 9 in that box, and 9 is my whole, okay? We said 8 is one of the parts, so I can circle 8 dots, right? How many dots are left? Just this one right here, right? Just that one. So 8 and 1 together will make 9. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. Okay? Let's go down here to number 1. Number 1 says find 6 minus 4. Okay? Whole minus a part. I don't like to subtract. I like to draw my pictures out, draw my evidence, and circle the parts. That's the fastest way for me to remember that these two parts together will make that whole. Or I could use that count on strategy from 4 up to 6. Okay, so 6 is my whole. Let's draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. New line, 6. So here we have 6. 6 is my greatest number. My number's not going to get any bigger than 6. Okay? 4 is my part. So I'm going to get a different color. 4 is my part. So I'm going to circle 4. That's the part that I know. How many are still left over? 1, 2, right? There are 2 left over. I can count on from 4 up to the number 6. Let's do that. 4, 5, 6. So my next answer is 6, right? 4, 5, 6. 2 jumps gets you to 6. 4, count up to 6. 4, 5, 6. My answer is 2. 4, count up to 6. 5, 6. My answer is 2. Write an addition equation that helps you find 5 minus 2. Whole minus. Here's my whole. I know that there are 5 in my picture. If 2 is my part, I can circle that part. What is my other part? 3, right? So 2 was the part that I knew. 2, count on to the whole. 2, 3, 4, 5. Just another way to count. 3, 4, 5. So the missing part is 3. Move over to page 84. It says write an equation that helps you find 8 take away 5. Remember, if you know your whole and your part, you can go through and label everything. Whole minus, right? It's always a puzzle. Whole minus a part. Whole, part, part. There's my plus symbol. Everything around it has to be my part. Then this has to be the whole. Okay? 8 minus. That means it's a whole minus a part, right? 8 is my whole. 6 is my part. 2 is my part. Here's a plus symbol. Everything around the plus symbol has to be a part. A part plus a part equals the whole. Write an equation that helps you find 7 take away 5. Whole minus a part equals that part. Over here, plus symbol. That's a plus symbol. That tells me that this has to be a part, this has to be a part, and this has to be the total. I would like you to go through and solve these on your own. You can come back and watch the video to see if you are correct. Remember that if you have everything labeled already as your part, whole, it's really simple to fill in the missing information. This says part. This is a part. 5. I could put 5 here and 3 here. Or I could put 5 here and 3 here because 3 plus 5 equals 8. Here's 3, that's a part. Here's 5, that's a part. All of it together is my whole. Okay? Part plus a part equals a whole. There's my whole. It's 8. It's already filled in. I could do 6 plus 2 equals 8, or 2 plus 6 equals 8. That is not a good 6. Okay, and last one. There's my plus. 7 minus, whole minus. So 7 is my whole. That's already here. That means my number cannot get bigger. 5 can go here, or 5 could go here. 5 plus what equals 7, right? So I could do 5, count on to 7, 5, count up to the whole, 5, 6, 7. My answer is 2. 5, count up to the whole, 5, 6, 7. My answer is 2. I could draw 7 as my whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new lines, 6, 7. I could circle my part, which is 5. That's the part that I knew. The part I did not know was this right here, whatever is left over. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. The answer is the same no matter what you do. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Let's count backwards from 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,